So we have a lot of groceries from Amazon Prime to put away. Girl, we ain't had no food. Good morning. Oh my god, my face is like kind of dry. Good morning. Today is Sunday, so I decided to do like a Sunday reset. My house is a hot mess. So let's just have on my robe. If you guys are wondering where it's from, it is from Drunk Elephant. I don't know if they sell it anymore though, but I'm really happy that I actually tied up my hair so I don't be feeling like super crusty when I wake up in the morning. But I have a lot to clean, so I guess we could start there. I started in the kitchen. Honestly, before I start like cleaning up all this stuff, I'm about to put on my pot roast before it gets too late. But I do want to like give you guys like a walkthrough of this hot mess house right now. So we have a lot of groceries from Amazon Prime to put away. Girl, we ain't had no food. This is the living area. I'm in the kitchen now and focused. The kitchen isn't that bad, but I do have like a few little odds and ends to do. I lost my shoes.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
Nah, this is just a brown gravy mix.
I know, but do you normally use the ISU?
I've never used it, but this time I want it to be thicker.
Okay, so that's why, because you don't use the ISU. It's just a gravy packet, basically.
Oh, so I could put a little bit of water with this?
Yeah.
How much? Like a half a cup?
Yep. And if you want it thicker, you just gonna have to either use cornstarch and water or flour and water.
Okay, that's cool. And then use some of
But
this.
that is to the end when you figure out if it's too thick or not.
Okay, at the end. Okay, so I just put, I used more than enough of this juice. This probably would be enough once the butter melt. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. So good. I don't know what it is, but I love cooking. Okay, because I used to hate this.
Yeah.
Very therapeutic.
Very.
3 cheese ranch that I don't use. This is new. Parmesan. This is brand new salsa. This is the worst apple butter in apple butter history. No, this is Dickinson's country apple butter. It's so nasty.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
I know this is like not the best like grocery putting away, but truth be told, as you guys know, we're moving, and honestly we have outgrown this house. And now like we have a new addition, so just, I mean, Sage doesn't like eat a lot, but just like now I buy like 10-20 bananas at a time because I mix it. And now like she's starting to like eat solids, puree, so I buy like avocados, bunch of bananas at a time, a bunch of apples at a time. So honestly, like, I just want to thank God like in this moment for even blessing us with a townhouse, because honestly I live in Chicago and I was literally, baby, third floor. If you know, you know, you just pick the third floor. And I was just tired of stairs, and this was like a hidden gem. But it's, you guys know, like when people find stuff in Chicago, if you're from Chicago, like it just gets ruined. So we have overstayed our welcome, and God is just going to bless us tremendously this year, in this season, me and my family. And I'm just really excited. That's why I try to sow like more positive seeds, which I'm really like working on, just being like more in a positive mindset, and creating content that like makes me happy and like helps other moms and like make other people happy. But yeah, I try to like stay positive. Here is holy. That was like our word for last year. Here's holy, and I keep hearing that in the back of my head, like here's holy, like take care of here, and I got the rest. So yes, we have outgrown this place. Yes, God is going to bless us with a house, but yes, y'all, a house. But it's just like, you know, boy, I be sad. Like, when I am very impatient. So this year I am completely working on like patience. I've been through a lot, y'all. Y'all have seen me ugly cry. I have been through a lot. So I want to, like, this year, like even with these resets, this is a lot. I feel like it's just a lot, okay? And I just want to be patient with things. I know they're coming. I know that when God promises something, it's set in stone. Like, he said what he said. So this year I really want to focus on like my patience and like my response to things. I know y'all are probably like, huh? When I say response to things, it's just like, I don't know, just like I'm very impatient. So like sometimes the responses that I give out is just like more of a like, when, like I'm irritated, when, hello. So I really want to work on that. I really just want a happy, loving family. There's so much I want, but I mean, I can ask for the materials. God will give it to me. He'll probably bless me with something even better. But right now, I really want to focus on me, getting back to me, which I just slacked, and just being patient, like taking better care of myself, you know, like self-care routines, which is really hard because I do have a newborn. Like, winter is 5, so I was able to like get around and, you know, just do things. Now I can't even stand more than an hour. Before it's just like uterus and gave out, girl, go sit down, and like the baby will cry or naps don't be long enough, and it's just like, okay, there goes me like doing my self-care routine. Like, there goes me doing my feet, there goes me doing my nails, there goes me doing my hair. And believe it or not, I am not used to looking crusty. That's why I was so happy I put on my scarf last night. So I didn't have to like wake up and look crusty on camera. Edges ain't really edging like they was, but definitely better. So I really just want to take it slow this year. Progression, not perfection, but I also don't want to procrastinate, because yes, God's promises are there, set in stone. They're not going anywhere. But also, if I don't move, he don't move. You know what I'm saying? So it's pretty much what I'm focused on this year. I have so much trash to take out from all these Amazon bags. Sometimes I feel really bad like ordering groceries, but I have tried already. I went to the grocery store, and honestly, it was so embarrassing, y'all. But I'm a mom. Let's focus. But I'm a mom, and girl, like, I was in a grocery store and I kept stopping because I couldn't stand that long. It was just, yeah, it was just a hot mess. So I be feeling bad. Like, sometimes, like, when it's grocery day, I know you guys, but I tip all my drivers, period. I get a lot of groceries, but I'm grateful for them because they understand. I put a note, I have a newborn. They're always like, congratulations. So shout out to Amazon for that. Don't shout out Amazon because why y'all keep putting my eggs with juice, and put the eggs by themselves with the bread. Amazon, y'all know better. But yeah, so I really want to get on track, start cooking. I always cook like every Sunday, but start cooking early, girl. Get up early, girl. And just taking care of myself and just being patient. I really want to focus on my patience. I feel like if I can be patient, everything that I have ever wanted, everything that God has, I mean, I already know that's gonna happen, but it'll just literally fall in my hands if I just be patient and obedient. Just listen to God. Just be patient and obedient, girl. Be patient and obedient. Like, it's coming. This is, I know y'all, I hate the saying, this is your year. And I felt like that in 2021. That was an amazing year for me. I did like a whole 360 in 2022. Girl, that pregnancy tried to take me out the game. I was not myself, but I just really want to get back on track with God in 2023. And I'm really excited because I have a lot of things like in store, like as far as content wise and, you know, stuff like that. God has equipped me with everything that I need. Literally, I have more than most. I have more than a lot of people. I have more than a lot of content creators that are even starting out, but I'm noticing that I don't appreciate things like this. And I can't believe I'm saying this out loud. Maybe it's something I need to really work on. But I'm always like, no, I just feel like this can be better. I just feel like this can be better. No, I need to purchase this. And God is just like, use what you have. Like, every time you ask me for something, Kiara, I give it to you. Now is a time where it's just like you take a pause and you use what you have. You got it. You're equipped. You got this, girl. Like, people love you. Like, you are being spoke about in rooms that you don't even know that I'm about to pour into your life. So yeah, and I know that's true because the things, like the people who like are starting, the people who are starting to like interact with me on social media are more popular people than most, which I'm like shocked about. Like, girl, you looking at me? Like, blue checks, period. So I'm really excited about that. I just have to trust in the Lord, and he got it. He got me, period. Like, he got me, he got my family, he got my babies, and it is what it is. Like, he is not gonna let me down. He knows that I messed up. He knows that I'm impatient. He knows that I still have habits that I need to get rid of, and he knows that being obedient and patient is hard for me, but as long as I'm trying, like, he ain't gonna knock me. Like, I might have to fall down a couple times and get back up, but he's not gonna knock me. So just have a few more things to put away.
Ketchup.
Huh?
Ketchup.
Ketchup? Yeah, we need a ketchup. And apple juice. I'm gonna just put this in a cabinet for like later. And then I have two syrups. I have like a cheaper syrup, but this is like my favorite syrup, but it's $6. Brown sugar, because I want to make cookies. Didn't know that that was like an essential ingredient. I got everything else but that brown sugar.
Ow. You moved my egg.
My bad. And I'm making this today. It was just cornbread, so boom. The only thing that I really want to keep, baby clothes, on the counter is like the baby food. I'm gonna put the baby blender up here and we gonna move some bananas around, little stuff like that. So pretty much done in the kitchen. I need to take out all this garbage. Like, I just be doing anything, girl. Yeah, hot mess. I haven't mixed this, but this is what I call a lazy pot roast. It's just a Mississippi pot roast. check on it, girl. It still has like quite a few hours, but I just want to like mix in the juices and stuff. Do not ask me why I like using tongs. I don't freaking know. Oh my god, it's supposed to be so good, y'all. It's tough as hell.
Okay.
We going upstairs. Get a bottle of water. Oh, are you kidding? Are you ready for your nap? You crying? No crying? No crying? No crying? No wipe your tears. No wipe your tears. We're gonna take a nap. Y'all, that's pitiful, but I'm exhausted. And I have not slept. I've been up since like, ooh. Nope, let mommy have it. Since like 6 a.m. So I'm gonna take a quick little nap. And it's like 4, and she's pretty fussy, so it works. I know. Tay, we just woke up from our nap, and you were crying. I'm literally so exhausted. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? I took like a 30-minute nap.
Guys, she wants to go. That's right, she just tapped me. She said, yeah. Yell for help.
I'm really trying to stay woke. This is the worst reset ever. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. This is a realistic reset.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I am enough as I am. I am.